All right, I've been looking for her. I saw her come in, and I found her. Here goes some serious high def sole video on one car. Why is it on one car? Because that's a 1968 GT500KR. KR, you know what it stands for? King of the Road. Why is it King of the Road? That's one bad mamma jammer. Let's take a look. She is, guys. I'm going in. Look at this. Look at that. That's a 428 Cobra Jet. That's what that is. It's a 428 Cobra Jet. This is one clean car. Sorry, didn't mean to say car. It is one clean GT500KR. I love saying that. KRs are so rare that I searched them on Instagram and they barely have any accounts with King of the Road on it. Why? Because there are very few people that have this car. Look at that, look at that.
Okay. Alright. It's a red 70 with black lids. Alright.
See? I can shoot video and not talk. Oh man.
You want me to get out of the picture?
I want no worries. I never tell the owner to get out of a picture.
I'm not the owner of that car.
You're not the owner of that car? Which one? This one? All right, that's equally nice. I just kind of drool over this car because of my background, doing the MustangMedic thing. You know what I mean? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. See, guys, the Osmo was worth it, wasn't it? For this kind of shot. Well, my day's complete. I interviewed Daisy Duke. I've done a detailed video of a 68 GT500KR. There, you're looking at the windshield. Well, the hood's in the way, but you know what I mean. Look at that wheel. That wheel. I don't know, $4,000 or $5,000, $6,000 to the right person. Look at this shifter. Look at that.